Hi, today we are gonna be making wonton soup. These wonton dumplings are Asian dumplings that are gonna be in a chicken broth. First time I tried that was in a restaurant. I wanted to see if I can make it at home, and I think that my dumplings might be even better than the ones that I ate in the restaurant. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.